Congratulations, best friend and Jess! Malapit nang dumating si baby girl. Alam ko ready na kayo sa chapter na ito. Kasi ang tagal natin tong inantay, ang tagal natin tong pinagdasal. Best friend, tiisin mo ang sakit. Kasi pag lumabas na din si baby, magiging worth it lahat ng sacrifices mo, lalo na sa pagtitimpi mo na kumain ng mga matatamis at mga pagkain na gusto mong kainin. I love you, best friend. Galingan mo sa pag-ire. Mahal na mahal kita. Bye-bye. Delete na ako.
Hello, Crushie and Jess. Congratulations. Matagal yung pinag-prayan, lalo na ikaw, Crushie. Masaya ako para sa inyo. Naalala ko dati, yung sabay pa tayo pumupunta ng simbahan at pinag-pray lahat ng mga bagay na gusto natin. And ito na yun. I'm so happy for you sa inyong dalawa ni Jess. And I'm so excited for your growing family. So, congratulations. Can't wait to meet your sweet baby. Bye!
Congrats, Sugar Plum and Jess! Matagal niyong hinintay si baby. Kaya, super happy kaming lahat sa inyong dalawa. Excited na kami makita si baby. Excited na kami makita si baby, Sugar Plum. Ingat kayo parate. Love you.
Congratulations, BFF and Jess.
Congratulations po, Tita Nika. I love you. God bless you.
Excited na kami ma-meet si baby girl. Praying for safe delivery and also ikaw din. We love you. See you very, very soon.
Hello, Nick. Anto'y agawa? Masyuba-syubalay gana niyas. To'y, congratulations. Sikatan si Jess. Balon baby coming. Maging parents na kayo. And si Kamat, paano aliwalan 6 matabatabala. Kaya, agla nagugoy ang gatel noon sa bilay baby. Anyway, congratulations sa si kayong dua. And hope to see you soon, ubinyag. Okay. Kuya, say hi to Ate Kisa. Ay, Ate Nick. Congratulations.
Hello. What the heck? I'm eating, mother.
Sige na.
Why?
Congrats ka lang.
Congrats, Ate. Congrats, Ate Nika. Ate Nika, I am so proud that you have... I don't know what gender your baby is, but that will be to be announced. And we are very happy for you. That's a big achievement, and we hope to take care of your baby. I'm gonna buy them so much gifts, I swear.
Oh, hello, rich uncle.
Hell yeah.
Congrats, Ate Nika. I am so happy that you and Kuya Jester have a baby on the way, and I know this is something that you've been wanting for a while, and I know you're going to be an amazing mother, and you're going to experience so many amazing memories with your new family and everything. Anyways, I'm just so happy, and I know your baby is going to be the best baby in the entire world.
Yes, correct.
Congrats.
Congrats. Bye, Ate Nika.
Bye.
Hi, Nika and Jess. Congratulations. Welcome to the World Baby Hope. I know you've been wanting to have a boy. So after Baby Hope, another boy. Shoot for another boy. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Nika and Jess. Congratulations.
Come on,
That's my
Kelsey.
boyfriend.
Congrats, ate and kuya.
Endorse ka. Welcome to motherhood! We'll be there sa Binyag! Yay!
Thank you, Jane! See you sa Binyag. Thank you, Jane!
Congrats, Tita Nika. I love you.
Hi, Tita Nika. I know you've been dreaming of having a baby ever since na ikinasal ka kay Tito Jester. And now you're finally a soon-to-be mom. Congrats, Tita, kasi malapit na at mabubuo mo na rin yung pamilya na pinapangarap mo. May times na napapaisip ako na sana ikaw na lang yung naging nanay ko. Kayo na lang sana yung naging magulang ko. Kasi alam ko na magiging mabuti kayong magulang. At kapag anak niyo ko, mararamdaman ko sa inyo yung pakiramdam na buo yung pamilya. Kaya napaka-bless ng magiging anak niyo kasi mapagmahal yung magulang niya at buo yung pamilya niya. It's all worth the wait. The Lord has answered of all of your prayers. Sana maging okay si baby kapag paglabas niya. Haalaga namin siya ni Baste kapag uuwi kayo. Yun lang, tita. I love you. Magiging ate na ulit ako.
Congrats! Ingat kayo palagi. God bless.
Congratulations and have a safe delivery, Nika. Know that your baby girl is already loved by many. We love you.
Hi, Nika May! Congratulations! Soon, mag-aalaga ka na ng anak mo. Sasayaw na si Jester. Sana maging okay yung panganganak mo. At, yan. I love you, Nika. Bye.